Hi there. Back to highlight again this year my love for the Academic Planner by my friend Leslie Josel, Order Out of Chaos. And the reason that I love it, so parents, if you're starting to think about back to school, which is, not that far away now, it's really time to think about how to support your kids organizing their time, especially the unspoken for time. And that's what I like about the planner. You can see it comes in a couple of sizes here. It's very clear the year that it's meant for. And what I love about it is, yes, there are spots to actually, like a typical calendar, see what's happening in your day. But I love that there's the evening here. And what I really urge parents to do is really work with their kids to start learning how to use and plan, use the calendar and plan their time, that unspoken for time, those appointments that you need to make with yourself to do work when there's no class, there's no appointment with anybody else. It's this real commitment to say, I know this is important and I'm going to attend to this now. And you know what? It maybe there are music lessons to put in, or some sports activities, or play dates with friends. If we can start to see what time is spoken for, we can also see what time is available. And then we know, oh my gosh, that assignment that's due in 4 weeks, I can break that up. So every Wednesday night, for example, I might put an hour in to work on that. Hopefully there's not too much homework. I don't know if our kids do well with being so overscheduled, but this is a really helpful tool. And I encourage you to give it a try. It's been renowned for years now and a trusted tool. And I do not, from my experience, I didn't see our school system here where I live teaching our kids how to think about managing time. And you as parents can really make a difference to kids understanding this abstract nature of time and making it more concrete. I coach executives on doing this kind of thing. So if you can get your kids starting now, they'll be leaps and bounds ahead. Good luck.